years. I was in the submarine arm. I commanded a submarine called Shankush, the German designed submarines that we have. I was one of the commanding officer from 1998 to 2000. 3 years I was commanding.
When we go to our customers, we don't want to give them just basic answers, we want to give them scientific.
From an HR perspective of 2024, I would like to share.
So even now we are getting a million bits of information coming into